Triangle ABC, similar triangle element. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CA 4.5 centimeter, and construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. Similarity and the congruency, these two are the different concepts. Okay, now in similarity, now their shapes are same but their measurements are different, and in congruency their measurements also same and their shapes also same. Okay, now the first draw the rough diagrams here. Triangle, these two triangle A, B, C and triangle L, M, N. Okay, first you draw the rough diagram. Now AB first you 5.5 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, CA 4.5 centimeter. That means here three sides are given. And another triangle element, there is not given any side. Sides are not given. So that means by using this ratio and by this value, after substituting, now simplification, substitution and the concept of the similarity, you have to first find out the three sides, that is side LM, side MN and side LN, and then you draw the two triangles. Why the two different triangles are here? Because here is not having a single vertex is same. There is a two types. Two triangles are embedded inside one and the two triangles are separate. तो दोनों के लिए criteria क्या है? If one of the vertex is same, so that means your triangles are overlap, embedded inside one. And if there will be no common vertex is there, so that means your two triangles are separate. So now your A, B, C, L, M, N, here is not having any single vertex is there. Okay. Now the first one, सब लोग ध्यान देंगे. Now triangle ABC, similar triangle LMN, which is the supplied information. First point. Now you write down their sides, corresponding side. Now AB upon LM, BC upon MN, and AC upon LN. Corresponding side of the similar triangle. Okay, first you write down the name of the triangle. After that, how you take the sides now? You can just see that. No need to see the diagram. AB. So AB upon LN, BC upon LN, and AC upon LN. Okay. Now third one, you substitute the value. AB value is given 5.5 upon LM, BC value 6 upon MN, AC value 4.5 upon LN, and the equivalent ratio which is given the 5 upon 4. Okay, now separate these ratio. 5.5 upon LM is equal to 5 upon 4. 6 upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. And 4.5 upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. Now what you do now here? Cross multiply. So what here now? LN is equal to 5.5 into 4 upon 5. 5 1 the 5 1 the 1.1 into 4.
4.4.
4.4 centimeter. Now here second one. MN is equal to cross now here 6 into 4 upon 5. 6 4 the 24 upon 5. 24 upon
2
5.
4 4.8. 4.8.
4.8 centimeter. Now the third side LN. So LN is equal to 4.5 into 4 upon 5. 5 1 the 5. 9 the 9 4 the 36. 3.6
Centimeter.
Now substitute this value here. LN 4.4 centimeter, MN 8 centimeter, and LN 3.6 centimeter. Now we can see that here you will get all the values of the another triangle element. Now you separately you draw the triangle. Now the first one, which is given BC. First I am drawing the first triangle. It is the BC which is given 6 centimeter. BC is 6 centimeter. Then 5.4 you have to take the measurement from your rounder. It will be 5. It will be 5.5. Okay. Another 4. Another one is 4.5. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Then afterwards you draw these two lines. Here we get the triangle ABC. 5.5 centimeter and another one is the 4.5 centimeter. Another triangle side which is given 4.8. It will be 4.8 mm, 4.8 centimeter. Then again you have to take the rounder which is 4.4 centimeter. Rounder is here. Then another one is a 3.6. Okay, all of you understood?
Yes.
Then join this arc and it's your triangle 11. The measurement 4.4 centimeter, 4.8 centimeter and 3.6. Can you see that these two triangles called as a similar? Why similar? Because their measurements are different, but their size is shape is same, but the size are different. And that's why in this way you can draw the two different triangles by using the similarity concept. Understood?
Yes.
Now draw.